Hey there, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Lauren. This is Casey. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors, and today we are working with one of my favorite seafoods, scallops.
That's right, Lauren. Today we are making lemon butter scallops. So to get started, we've got some scallops that we have from our meat case. They come frozen, so we've defrosted them and rinsed them. And then one step that we're going to take is the scallops come with this, they have this little kind of piece extra on them. You can eat it, it's edible, but it's just a little bit tougher texture. So we're just gonna pinch this right off. It comes off really easily.
Just discard it.
And just discard that, and we've done that with the rest of them. So I'm gonna stick them on the plate now that is lined with our Viva paper towel.
And these are pretty large scallops, which is typical to what you'd find in like a fresh seafood case. But you can also buy these in like frozen bags as well. They're just gonna usually be a little bit smaller.
Right. So we've got them here, and I'm just gonna pat them dry too, because we really wanna make sure that they don't have a lot of extra water in them so that they cook better.
Yep, just let that paper towel absorb the water. Looks good.
Right.
Very nice.
All right, so I'm gonna wash my hands. Stick that in
Start
there.
this?
Yep.
All right, so next, I'm actually gonna fire up our skillet over here. It's got a tablespoon of butter in it. Just get that nice and hot, get that butter melted. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle our scallops with a little bit of salt. And then a little bit of pepper. We wanna do this for each side.
Them. Something I think is interesting about this recipe is scallops are something that I personally never really make at home. I'm kind of like intimidated by them. You know, it's like something that you usually get from a restaurant or something fancy, but I have learned that they're super simple.
And they cook really, really quickly as well. All right, just gonna get the other side here. This is just gonna give them a little bit of flavor. Scallops don't really need too much flavor because they are really rich and quite buttery on their own. All right, we'll check on our butter over here. Getting nice and melted. I'm just gonna kind of swirl it around in our pan. And then we're just gonna add in those scallops. The scallops are going to cook for about 2 minutes per side. So after 2 minutes, you will flip them. We will flip them. And they should be nice and really brown, especially because we have the butter in here. And they cook so quickly.
Yeah, that's so fast.
You don't really need to touch them. You just leave them in here for 2 minutes. Don't bother them. Let them cook. There we go. And then we'll flip them. All right, so our scallops look so good.
Yes, they smell good too.
Turn our pan down to low because we're still gonna use it. But I'm gonna move these over to our clean platter. But as you can see, they're cooked through. They're nice and seared with some crisp edges. Oh, they look amazing. So we're just gonna set these aside and we're gonna go ahead and make our sauce, and we're gonna make it in the same pan so we get some of the scallop juiciness, if you will. So I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of butter. Let's turn this back up a little bit. And garlic. I'm just gonna cook these in our pan till the butter is melted and our garlic is nice and fragrant. All right, so our butter is melted, our garlic is nice and fragrant, smells so good. So next we're gonna add in some lemon juice, quite a bit of lemon juice. Then we've got some pepper and salt to taste. And we're just gonna kind of stir this all together.
I love the combination of lemon and butter with seafood, and especially with these scallops, it goes so well together.
All right, this looks really good. Everything has come together really nicely, so I'm gonna turn the heat off here. And this is our sauce. Like, how easy was that?
So simple.
So from here, I'm just gonna take some of it and just drizzle it over the top.
I love any recipe where you can still see the garlic, whole pieces of garlic.
Yes, let me get all that goodness in here. Yum, yum, yum.
Oh, love it.
A little bit more. All right, that looks good.
Great. That was so easy.
So easy, hopefully not intimidating.
Yeah.
And it's definitely something that's restaurant quality.
Mm-hmm.
But super easy and quick.
All right.
So serving these guys, I'm gonna grab this little one. You can serve them, of course, like over pasta and things like
sure.
that. But if you're looking for a really easy side, you can try our one-step prep steamable veggies you can find in our produce department.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we've got here some asparagus and some fingerling potatoes. There's lots of different options, but they're so simple. You just throw them in the microwave and they're done. So to go along with these simple scallops, what a great meal.
A meal done in less than 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So nice.
Awesome. All right. Oh, we almost forgot our garnish.
Oh, yes.
So we've got just a little parsley to add some color.
Wow,
Perfect.
this looks
Yes.
very professional.
It does. I'm impressed.
Oh, and they're so
right.
tender.
Yes.
Yum, yum. I love the lemon.
Me too. That's what I was going to say. It's so strong and fits so well with the scallops.
Come out of your shell and try scallops this week.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit bestfoods.com.